Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. There have not been a video for a while now and I apologize for that, and the reason is that because there was vacation time during our MBA program. So I'm now in Greece, in Crete actually, by the pool in my hotel, and ready to create a new video for you guys. So this video is going to be describing an RSM MBA Armada.
Hi, I'm Roberta. I'm a full-time MBA student at RSM and I'm part of the Armada organization team. So the Armada is an adventure, is an experience that you are going to have in Italy, this time in Aeolian Islands on a sailing boat, many sailing boats. Each sailing boat has 8 or 10 people. We're going to stay there all together, sailing around, having parties and fun for 1 week.
But who is going?
RSM MBA students, alumni, and also other business schools members.
And how many people?
We are 72.
Oh wow. These are apparently our boats. So there are catamarans and there are monohulls, and I just learned what the difference between the two is. And mine is Oceanis 48. I'm gonna come and show it to you now.
PORTOROSA! Hello guys! You need to join us. If you have an MBA. Only if you have an MBA.
That was the president of the sailing club, Yanis from Greece. And this is gonna be my boat. Alright, so this is our boat. Okay, this is our captain. This is our leader. Okay, this is one of our crew trying on our little RSM Armada t-shirt.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Italian accent already. Like, this is my cabin that I'm gonna share with Natalia. My stuff all over the place. Bathroom, super tiny, but we're glad we have one. And this must be a living room, I think.
Yes.
A little kitchen. We're just waiting for the groceries. The guys went shopping for groceries. Another little room. It looks like a single room, I don't know. And another one right here with the bathroom. And there's one more right here, same as mine, and a tiny one with the bunk beds, little windows and everything. So yeah, that's our little cute boat. We're still in port, but the party's already on.
Because everything can happen in the boat is under my responsibility. For example, if you drink a lot, but very, not a lot as we are used to do. Where you can't walk, if you arrive at Philipppo, it's my responsibility.
Alright, hi everyone, this is day 2 of our sailing trip, and this is what we wake up to. Wake up, and then I already went for a swim. I got my arm stung by a jellyfish, but otherwise this is amazing. All the crew is there behind. Our captain is putting the flag on right now. It's our captain, Paula. Hello. This is Manuela in your little cabin. These are all the other boats that we stayed here for the night all together. Say hi, girl! Yeah, that is our shower. The guys and the rest of the crew.
feel?
How does it feel to be? Sounds like the beginning of a song.
Okay, so we came to one of the ports, and all our boats are tied together, so you can like swimming. And then we can like go from boat to boat, just stepping over and go into the party boat. That's right.
I know.
Have Filippo cooking. That's gonna be apparently pasta carbonara.
I know. You know. Rapper, I know. But I know what we're gonna
Alright, so we're in Lipari and we're in this restaurant, Lipari, yeah, excuse me. So we're in this taverna restaurant, almost this is our table, our boat crew plus one random person. And these are our Sicilian antipasti. Did you guys already try something?
No, yeah, we're super hungry.
I was gonna ask, how was it?
It's really good. I can confirm the stuff is really, really good.
And we just finished dinner and we're just walking around. It's our crew dancing on the streets. Putting out the sail. And the girls are helping the skipper. Ryan there, the background. Okay, Ryan, what can you tell my viewers about this Armada? How is it so far for you?
Oh, it's fantastic. You're on the water, you're in Italy, you eat fantastic pasta and food. What else do you want? It's great.
The other Ryan?
Ass and titties, baby. Those are the two things he's not getting.
No, we're having a good time. We sail in the morning, then we stop and swim for a little bit, and then we go into town, and then at night we just party. Actually, we party the whole day, not only at night. Arriving at the port. Pizza dinner. This is our little table, which is a mix of different boats. These are the MBA. These are the guests who are MBA. Yeah. 19. There you go. And they're from Finland. And we're having fun. We're gonna cook our own pizzas. So cheers.
Okay, now let's do that. Tomato, fuso pizza, and they choose margarita. It's the simple one.
Can I put a little bit closer?
No, it's better now.
Okay.
Don't worry, under you. Okay.
Can I make it a little bit more? A little bit more.
Okay. Listen to me.
Okay.
And then we can okay? And now easy.
Kat, which pizza are you preparing?
Margarita, which is the easiest but the best one.
Nice choice.
Okay,
Mucho mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Non buttare di fuori.
Non mi capisci.
No, she doesn't understand in Italian.
Italiano no.
Non capisco. Ok, brava.
Bravissima.
Okay, this is day, I don't know, 5, I think. This is my first, my crew. Okay, so we're docked somewhere next to Hickory, and there's a lot of girls. And she cannot swim, that's why she's sitting inside. So guess. This is our neighboring yacht.
Guys, 5 minutes left.
It has been an amazing experience and the best crew ever.
That was Manuela from Italy. And then I have, hello. Say who you are if you enjoyed our money.
I'm COSTY and this is the best holiday ever.
Aww, Constanza from Italy, and we have Mr. Karim from Azerbaijan, South Germany.
I am
Look
Karim.
how much tall he is, I don't even fit in the camera. So.
And apparently I'm the only male on the boat. So, hey!
You had a good time?
Lady!
And then we have some little Jews from Holland. Did you enjoy Armada?
A lot.
Yay! Aww, are cute. And I have two pretty ladies right here. Hi! Miss VIJAYA and Miss OLGA, Belarus and India. So girls, how was it for you?
I enjoyed a lot. It's first time sailing for me.
Aww, first
I cannot swim, but
and she's like sitting. And look how brave she got. Olga, did you enjoy?
Yeah, sure.
Yippee! Aww. And then where's Natalia? Natalia from Russia. Natalia. Ooh. And she was my roommate. How was it for you?
Super.
Super! Yoo-hoo! So we're missing 2 people from the crew there on the other boat.
Doesn't matter.
The best ones are here.
Not important.
All our boats are parked here, and this is LIPARI. We parked for swimming, and then we're gonna go back to PORTOROSA this evening, have a finale dinner, and tomorrow we disembark. Leaving the marina. For me, I booked it last minute and didn't really know what to expect, but it has been amazing. It's been one of the best vacations I had in a while, and let me know in the comments what you think about this video.